You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word from Spanish, meaning slowly. How do you say slowly in Spanish? In Spanish from Spain, or at least central Spain, this is pronounced as despacio, with the C pronounced like TH in English with your tongue between your teeth. Despacio. Despacio. The stress on the pa syllable. Now, in other parts of Spain and in South America, Central America, Mexico, despacio with the C pronounced like an S. Despacio or despacio. In English, if you cannot pronounce Spanish properly, English pronunciation, despacio. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.